In our last video, we learned how to create your own custom workouts on FitBudd. Today, let's take a look at how you can add exercises to your workout plans. Hi trainers, welcome back to FitBudd's official YouTube channel, the perfect place for fitness coaches and trainers who wish to grow their business. Today, let's take a look at how you can add exercises to your workout plans on FitBudd's platform. Once you've created your workout introduction, click on the pencil icon at the extreme right against exercises on the workout panel. Or alternatively, you can also click on the Add Exercises button. Select all the exercises you want to add to the particular set. You can add every exercise as a single one or as a group, which will create a complete set. On the extreme left, you can specify the number of sets. Do this for every exercise and set you've added. Through the drop-down menu, you can specify the type of each set. This can be changed later as well. Make sure to specify reps or durations for each exercise that you've added. You can also specify the rest duration. It can be either fixed or in a range. Repeat this process to add more exercises until you're satisfied with the workout that you've built. And voila, you're done. If you haven't seen the previous part of this video where we create custom workouts, click over here and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss another update. I'll see you next time. Until then, happy training!